Hello, this is Paul with the Frame Team showing you how I created the candy puzzle for our Halloween escape room. There are 12 candies hidden throughout the frame, and as you click on them, the candy tracker shows you which ones you found. Now I'm going to reset the puzzle real quick here, and below the ground you'll see that there are these green cylinders that replace the gray ones when the candy has been clicked. Let's go into edit mode and click on the candy so we can open the action editor. This is candy 8, and it has 5 different tasks that it does when it has been clicked. The first one is sending its own position below the ground, and then it sends the green button up. This is all with set property and position, and then it will send the gray button down. Now, the last thing it does is it will take the candy gates, both the right and the left, and it will send them away. And what these candy gates do are they teleport you back to the beginning if you haven't found all the candies. Let's take a look at those triggers. You can see that they are stacked here upon each other, one for either side. And this one here is left 12. And once you click on the candy, it'll move this to where it no longer warps you away. And how it warps you is using one of these proximity triggers. Using the medium range, it'll send you right back to the respawn spot link. So let's try that out. And we're right back here. There's just so much that we can do with these tools, and we're excited to see what you come up with.